Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to my YouTube channel because there's new recipes coming through every week. I'll do that again, yeah? And then this stuff here, look, you get the chocolate. Come in. You can't have any milkshake though. This is my favorite drink of all time. The chocolate sauce is out of my dessert cookbook, Celebrate Your Sweet Tooth Naturally. The ice cream is out of my sweet tooth cooking class called Celebrate Your Sweet Tooth Naturally, which is an online educational platform that has masterclasses streaming 24/7. Or you can just buy your plant-based ice cream at any plant-based outlet or any Whole Foods outlet or any supermarket. What you're looking for in a plant-based ice cream is pure ingredients. When I mean pure ingredients, you're looking for things that don't have numbers and additives. You're looking for pure ingredients. And so this one that I make is coconut cream, coconut oil, coconut sugar, cacao, salt, blessings, churned, and in the cup. That's how I make it. But if you don't make ice cream, you don't have a churn, you're looking for something that's super clean and super pure. I've got my coconut cream in my amazing little cylinder situation. I've got my chocolate plant-based ice cream. I've got my chocolate sauce, and I've got coconut milk. And this is how it's going to go down. Very simple. I'm going to add a nice big scoop of this luxurious ice cream. Actually, I'm just going to add a little bit more. Actually, I'm going to add a nice 2 scoops of it. Oh my God, it's sublime. And then I'm going to add my coconut milk. I'm going to add a little bit more chocolate sauce because I can. You don't have to, but I want to add just a little bit more. And now I'm going to add some ice. Stay there, guys. I'm coming. Wait. And I'm going to blend. Come on, Cynthia. I want a lot. I'm just going to let it just fall everywhere. Just naturally, there's no real rules. And then this goes into here. Right up to the top. Oh my God, it's heaven. It's heaven. And then I reckon I need to slurp a little bit out of there actually because it's a bit full, Cynthia. Oh my God. And I'm going to get this situation. I'm going to squirt. Sorry, I just love it so much. I'm just going to do this because I can. I swear to God, this is my favourite thing to do in the whole wide world, is milkshakes. If you ever decide to come to Bali, Indonesia, these are in Genius Cafe, which I'm the food director and all things brand partner. Oh my God. And then you scrape up the sides, right, to get the chocolate. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, more chocolate. Oh my God, okay, goodbye.